Moen offers a variety of curved shower rods, allowing you to maximize your space in the shower and create an elegant look. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a tension curved shower rod in just a few minutes. No tools or hardware required. Step 1. Expand the rod. Determine where to position the shower rod. Place the padded flange on one wall and expand the rod toward the other wall. Notice the holes and button in the rod. Press the button to adjust the length of the rod, so there's a minimum amount of space between the flange and the other wall. Step 2. Add tension to the rod. Slide the decorative cover away from the flange to access the locking wheel. Turn the locking wheel counterclockwise to move the flange toward the wall and add tension. You may need to loosen the locking nut or adjust the button and hole position again to apply the proper amount of tension. Make sure the shower rod is level before securing it against the wall. The final step is to snap on the decorative covers. Push the locking wheel toward the wall so it's not sitting on the nut. Then slide each decorative cover toward the wall and align it so it snaps in place. Congratulations, your job is finished. Installing a tension curved shower rod is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.